Hello guys, welcome to my weight loss journey. Today is recipe number 7. So we already know that millets are great addition to our diet for healthy lifestyle and weight management. So let's start with our millet recipe. For this recipe I am using here barnyard millet. I have already washed it 3 to 4 times with water. Now adding washed millet into the pressure cooker. Add little olive oil, salt and enough water. Close the cooker and cook it for 3 whistles on high flame. Once it is done, keep it aside. Now let's prepare vegetable masala. Heat the pan, add little olive oil, add chopped garlic, onions, green chilies, cabbage, capsicums, beans, mushroom and tomatoes. You can also add any vegetables of your choice. Toss everything well and cook until the vegetables are nicely sauteed and slightly golden brown. Meanwhile, let's prepare our secret masala, which is going to be the heart of our veg millet pulao. So for that we need to add black pepper, 1 green cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick. You can add little bit and cumin seeds. So that's it. We need to just grind it and our secret masala is ready. So now let's check on our veggies. As you can see, they have turned beautifully golden brown and are perfectly cooked. Once the vegetables are nicely cooked, add salt to taste and our secret masala. So saute everything together until the masala is well combined and the veggies are nicely coated and somewhat crunchy. This is where all the flavors come together and make our pulao super aromatic and delicious and healthy too. Now it's time to add our cooked millet to the saute vegetables and bring everything together to make our delicious veg millet pulao. So now just we need to gently mix everything well, making sure the millet is nicely coated with the vegetables and the masala, and it should be look proper. And look at that, our healthy and flavorful veg millet pulao is coming together beautifully. Last but not least, add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Coriander is must have garnish for almost every Indian dish. And there you go, our healthy, colorful and delicious veg millet pulao is ready to serve. If you are also on weight loss journey, join me on this journey. Subscribe to my channel for more healthy, tasty recipes, and don't forget to like, share and comment if you enjoy this recipe. Let's make our weight loss journey healthy, tasty and enjoyable together. Thank you for watching the video.